Hey guys, welcome back to another makeup video for Fashion Art Toronto and their Runway makeup series. And this one we are doing for Nova Chiu. They are walking on October 25th, and this is going to be a very exciting makeup look. I like this one. It's a little bit more traditional runway focused, so nothing too dramatic and no graphic eyeliners. So for this look, we are going with a beautiful natural skin and a beautiful natural eye look. So just a soft contour for the eyes. I am still going to use 3 or 4 eyeshadows, and I'm gonna show you how I make my eyes become enhanced without using anything too dramatic. So it's a very natural look. Mascara, and then we're gonna do a nice pop of red on our lips. So I've got everything here and we're going to get started with skincare. This is essentially how we get a natural makeup look is by making sure that we have the best skin prep. So I would absolutely encourage you to take care of your skin leading up to the show. Avoid any excess coffee, any excess alcohol, any excess fast food, sweets, all that jazz. Really take care of the skin. Make sure you're cleansing every night, every morning, toning, moisturizing, doing a nice light exfoliation so that you've got a fresh surface to work with. And then I'm going to start with my toner. Then we're going to mix our moisturizer with our foundation to make sure that we have nice natural coverage. So I'm actually gonna do this on a little palette that I have. You can just do this in your hands. I'm gonna go ahead right away and pop my concealer on underneath my eyes. Then I'm going to tap on my eye base. Okay, so for this look, we do want a very natural eye look. So I'm going to go in with a very nude, neutral color first. I am very pale, so this one is just a shade deeper than my natural skin tone. So you're gonna wanna find something similar for yourself, a very matte, neutral transition shade. And this one's going in the crease. Then with a flat brush, I'm gonna go ahead and take a light color and I'm going to dab that on the inner third of my eye. I'm going to use a soft matte color from my palette here. I can't lift my palette up, it's buried under products, but it's a pretty pale, almost white shade. Then I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm gonna come back over starting from the outside with a pretty medium soft brown and keeping it very, very like a wash of color. And I'm just gonna go back in with my crease just to blend and soften. Then I will take a liner brush, and this one is the Superhero, and I'm gonna take the liner side with a bit of a deeper brown, or the same brown, whatever you have, and I'm just going to gently line the lower lash line and then the upper 3/4 to half of my lash. And then keeping it natural, we are going to take, if you want, you can take a black kohl pencil and do tight lining on your upper lash line, not on the bottom, just on the upper, and that's going to help your lashes look more thick and your lash line appear more full. So I do this with my eyes open, and I bring the brush underneath my lashes and I just start going around and then blinking a massive million amount of times. And then from there, you're just going to put on a natural coat of mascara. No lashes required for this look. And I'm just going to recommend curling your lashes before you do your mascara. And if you want to do just a little light swoop across the bottom lashes, you can. Keep it very, very light though. Okay, from here, I'm going to come in with a translucent setting powder. I'm going to first push it into my skin, and then I'm going to do some contour and highlight. Then I'm going to buff it all in so that it stays. Now for the contour and highlight, we do want to keep your skin nice and natural, so I'm just doing this very lightly with powder to give a bit of dimension to the face. I am using a compact, a light and a dark, and I'm using it as a powder because it's more natural that way. So I'm going to start with my contour with a light round brush. Then switch brushes and go in with the light. And this is where you're going to, anything that you want to pop up, so the high surfaces of your face is where we're going. And this is a very satin. There is no shimmer in this highlighter, so please use something nice and soft and gentle. We don't want a disco ball out on the runway. This is a very natural face look. Then we want to go in with another translucent powder, maybe the same translucent powder. It totally depends on what products you have at home. But now we want to go in a circular motion and really buff in everything we've just put on our face. Okay, now hopefully you've got hydrated lips before you start. I forgot to hydrate my lips, but I was wearing lip products earlier, so my lips actually feel great. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips first with a red lip liner, and I highly recommend using a matte red lipstick for this look. You will be wearing a mask on location, traveling to the location, and leading up to your runway debut. So matte lipsticks are your best option for longevity. Please bring it with you and be prepared to touch up your own lips before the show. There will be a makeup artist on hand, but it's best if you have your own lipstick with you. Then you want to set everything with makeup setting spray. And there you have it, your makeup look for Nova Chiu on October 25th. And if you have any questions, please find me on Instagram at BePrettyMUA. If you need any recommendations for products or skin concerns, please let me know. I am happy to assist you, and have fun with the look. It's a very pretty look, and embrace your natural beauty. Enjoy the show, guys.